Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change your Toyota RAV4 battery. First, gather your essential tools: a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin. This simple preparation ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now, let's safely disconnect the old battery. Begin by locating the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable first. This crucial step prevents any accidental short circuits. Next, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal and remove its cable. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap to free the old battery from its tray. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly using a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely and snugly. Reattach the hold-down clamp or strap to firmly secure the battery in place. Now, connect the positive cable to the positive terminal first, followed by the negative cable to the negative terminal. You're almost done. Now, tighten all terminal connections firmly with your wrench, but be careful not to over-tighten them. For added protection and longevity, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Finally, start your Toyota RAV4 to confirm that the new battery is working correctly and your vehicle powers on. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at a local recycling center to protect our environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.